So one day I bought two I bought 2 glasses of salt to put them away, and but I've used them.
Oh, yeah. I know. You'd be surprised how much salt you use.
You use a lot of salt.
And there's no way you can make your own salt. Are you gonna go to the ocean and
And
Right.
start boiling and scraping on the bottom.
Just take a teaspoon of ocean
I mean, you
water.
can grow your own food, you can do a lot of things, but you can't make your own salt that I know of. Although you can
They
make your own
mine that
baby
salt in Ohio, huh?
Huh?
In Lake Erie? Under Lake Erie?
Do they? I don't know.
Yeah, but you gotta go way under the lake to
I
get-
know,
Right.
but
Right.
isn't that where they're
That's
mining
where
salt?
they get it, yeah.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
do.
So,
Anyways, I think Costco has big bags of salt.
We can get tons of salt.
from where?
The feed store.
Oh, cow salt. It's the same thing, only it's
Does it have
it's
iodine?
big. It's
Yeah,
big
you
chunk.
can get iodine.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's big. Well, you could
Stupid TV.
crush it up if you have to.
It's the same thing.
Makes
Big
me go
giant
press the
bag
button.
for how much
50
is it?
pounds a sack for $6 or $7.
It's the same
Keep
thing
it in
as
a
salt.
cool, dry place.
Yeah,
No,
put it in
we
a
don't.
5-gallon
Don't worry
bucket.
about
Well,
it.
even if it's solidified,
You
you
could
can
use
always
that for
bust it out.
canning, Terry. Use that for canning.
I'm pressing the wrong button.
You don't
They're
want
gonna
any,
mess
you don't
with
want the
whatever.
iodine with the candy.
And
Oh,
yeah,
you
I'm
don't
gonna
use iodine salt.
Not with, not for.
It doesn't